Meet the NHK K5R. At first glance, it looks like it belongs on a Moto 3 grid, but this is a full-face helmet built specifically for the street. Today, we're diving deep into the specs, the RHD Lens technology, and whether this is the best mid-range helmet for your daily commute. Let's start with the shell. It's crafted from an advanced Thermo Polymer. It feels lightweight yet incredibly rigid. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive aerodynamic profile. That sharp chin bar and the integrated rear spoiler aren't just for looks. They're designed to stabilize your head at higher speeds. However, a quick heads up, NHK explicitly states this model is tuned for street use, not the professional racing track. Now let's talk about the vision. This features NHK's newest RHD Lens technology. The goal here is a bright vision experience, minimizing distortion and keeping your field of view crystal clear, even in low light. It also comes with a double visor system. The internal sun shield is actually longer than previous models, providing better coverage against road glare. The sun visor switch is located on the left, and it's tactile enough to find even with thick riding gloves. For airflow, NHK uses a maximum air vent system. You have dual top vents and a large chin vent that keeps the cool-feeling interior liner doing its job. Inside, the padding is plush and fully removable. A massive plus for safety is the emergency release system on the cheek pads, a feature you usually only see on high-end racing lids. For the closure, we have the gold standard, the double D-ring system. It's secure, simple, and reliable. Between the ECE certification and the sharp graphics like the Chameleon or Speedlight series, the K5R offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's stylish, safe, and surprisingly technical. So, is the NHK K5R your next helmet? If you want racing aesthetics without the racing price tag, it's hard to beat. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check the size guide. These tend to have a snug, sporty fit. Ride safe.
A big thank you to my wife for this meaningful gift and for always supporting what I love.